Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today we will see how to defog the vehicle during rainy season. During the rainy season, fog and mist can quickly build up on your vehicle's windshield. If one side of your car is cool, the opposite side often gets fogged up, making it hard to see the road ahead. It's not just annoying, it's dangerous. So how do you clear it up quickly and stay safe? Most Maruti Suzuki vehicles come equipped with an automatic defogger system to quickly clear up your view. Step 1. Locate the AC panel on your dashboard. Step 2. Turn on the AC. Step 3. Keep the temperature high to blow warm air onto the windscreen. Step 4. Set the fan speed to high for faster results. The vents under the windshield will blow hot air and circulate outside air to clear the fog. Step 5. You can also shift the side vents of the AC towards the side windows to clear the fog and mist. Step 6. If the fog happens outside the windshield, use the wiper blades and the nozzle to get rid of it. With these simple steps, you can maintain a clear view and drive safely, no matter the weather. Visit your nearest Maruti Suzuki Service Center today for expert assistance. Defogging made easy. Locate AC panel, turn on AC, increase AC temperature, increase fan speed, activate defogger, direct side vents, turn on wiper, get clear view, safe drive. Maruti Suzuki Service will always be by your side. Stay informed, stay safe.